Hello, do you have people in your life who drag you down? I like to call them energy vampires. They tend to suck the life out of you, and you have to do your best to stay away from these people. Sometimes they are even family members, and I encourage you to limit the time you spend around them. Who needs unnecessary drama? I find that negativity can become a vicious circle, and I want to make you aware of a couple of things. Number 1, choose your circle of friends wisely. Every choice comes with a consequence, and this is a choice you make. Did you know that you will become the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with? If you are around too many complainers, it is time to find new friends. Number 2, what to say when people complain to you about others? I'm sorry, I don't like to talk behind people's back. Have you addressed this with the person directly? That's usually my go-to strategy. I promise that they won't come back to you because you don't feed into their energy, and they won't like that. Number 3, are you in a survival mode on a daily basis? This can become an unhealthy addiction, but it isn't normal. If you work in an environment where others constantly make you feel stupid or treat you differently in a group than one-on-one, chances are you work in a toxic environment. Have you ever considered that you could be the full package, but you are at the wrong address? It is important to recognize warning signs and learn to set boundaries without feeling guilty about it. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.